Hey there everybody, if you are watching this video, you probably want to know how to create batch payments in Xero. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Batch payments in Xero allows you to process multiple payments at once, streamlining the payment process and saving time. This feature is useful for paying multiple bills or invoices simultaneously. To use batch payments, you first select the bills or invoices you want to pay. Then, you create a batch payment and review the details before authorizing the payment. Xero can generate a file that you can upload to a bank for processing. Or, if your bank is connected to Xero, you can complete the payment directly through the platform. This helps keep your accounts up to date and simplifies managing multiple payments. To create a batch payment in Xero, follow these steps. In the first step, what you need to do is navigate to the Bills section and then select Awaiting Payment. Tick the checkboxes next to the bills you want to pay. After doing that, you need to click on Make Payment. You will be taken to a screen summarizing the selected bills. Choose the bank account from which you will make the payment. If you want to export a file with payment details for your banking software, ensure all supplier details like sort code, account number are complete. If you just want to mark the invoices as paid in Xero, select Mark as Paid. Then enter the payment date. If applicable, add payment references. After doing that, you need to click Create Payment to proceed. Review the summary of your batch payment. It will show the bank account, payment date and bills being paid. If everything looks correct, select Finish and View Batch to finalize the payment. You will now see the batch payment listed in Xero. If you encounter any issues or need more detailed instructions, feel free to leave a comment. And that's pretty much all about how you can create batch payments in Xero. Well, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye-bye, and I will see you in the next one.